Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook oats with water. To achieve perfectly creamy oats, the ideal water-to-oats ratio is 2 parts water to 1 part rolled oats. You'll need just these 2 simple ingredients. You can prepare your delicious breakfast using either a stovetop or a microwave, depending on your preference and available time. This foundational method ensures a wholesome and satisfying meal every time, ready for your favorite additions. For the stovetop method, combine 1 cup of rolled oats with 2 cups of water in a medium saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Your oats will become wonderfully creamy and ready to enjoy. If you're short on time, the microwave method is incredibly convenient. In a large microwave-safe bowl, combine 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of water. Microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes, keeping a close eye on it to prevent boiling over. Carefully remove the hot bowl, stir thoroughly, and let it stand for about 1 minute. This allows the oats to absorb the remaining liquid and thicken beautifully. To achieve your preferred consistency, feel free to adjust the water quantity. Use slightly less for thicker oats or a bit more for a thinner texture. A small pinch of salt added during cooking can significantly enhance the flavor. Once cooked, personalize your bowl with toppings like fresh fruit, crunchy nuts, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for a truly delightful and nutritious meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.